Naka 49. Hello to Shuna ko. Alam mo, Ate Shuna, no, tinignan ko talaga yung profile pic mo. Sabi ko, naku, sino ba to si Shuna ko na ito? Ate Shuna, ikaw manene. Hello to Kuya Charlie. God bless you po. Hello and good morning also to Ate Jessica Manit, Kuya Omar Dinsay. It is one unspoken request after the other. Don't worry, Kuya Omar. Kasi pinagpipray natin lahat ng inyong pong mga prayer request. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, no? Kahit na hindi natin maprayhan yan on air and individually, pag off-air naman po pinagpipray namin kayo. Good morning to you, Ate Roquesa, to Ate Ruth Lau, and to Ate Rudith Lubrigas as well. Ate Hazel, we miss you too. Merry Christmas. So, Ate Shirley Alfonso, di ba, nakaka-relate tayong lahat. Milady Jane Lapasano, hello and good morning, ladies. God bless you, and I am rejoicing with you as well. To Ate Rebecca, to Ate Joylene, to Lindsay Yasna, and to Linux. Magandang umaga. Nako, namimisa daw ni Ate Georgie ang Davao. Sana nga po'y ikaw ay makauwi. Going back doon po sa ating James chapter 5 verse 12, but above all, my brothers, do not swear either by heaven or by earth or by any other oath, but let your yes be yes, your no be no, so that you may not fall under judgment. Alam niyo po, pag tayo ay honest, ano? Pag nakabuild na po tayo ng reputation na pag sinabi natin gagawin natin, hindi na sila magdududa. No, na parang gagawin talaga nila. Alam niyo po, honesty, sabi nga nila, is a sign of a transformed heart. Siguro sinungaling tayo before, hanggang ngayon, sinungaling pa rin, pero slight na lang. Hindi na siya kagaya before. Diba? Alam niyo po, tandaan natin, we are still works in progress. Pag natisod o di tayo, diba, start anew. Tandaan din po natin that God owns everything. So, wag natin gagamitin yung stuff niya as collateral. Diba? Minsan, kailangan ko mangutang. Pairam naman muna dyan, ate, ng ano mo, titulo mo. Hindi ako nakabayad. O kaninong bahay ang mailit sa kanya. Diba? Parang ganun din po yung nangyayari if we take God's stuff and use it as collateral. Oh, promise talaga, gagawin ko, mamatay pa pamilya ko. Eh, yung pamilya mo na yan, kay Lord yan. Diba, kahit at sabihin mong mamatay pa yung aso ko, kasi mahal ko yung aso ko, yun lang yung pwede kong ipang-collateral, diba? Pero even that belongs to God. By swearing by heaven or earth, parang kinukuha natin or binabaro natin yung authority